My name is Zebediah Sitters. I'm talking about straight lines under the water. This image is from the Gulf. It's directly south of Mississippi Delta, out in the ocean. Now, one thing I've discovered is these are not normal lines because the way they lay out is almost like a graph. You see, as I zoom in closer, you got diagonal lines cutting through, but you have all these straight lines going this way, and then over here you have them going this way. They keep changing direction. Now, as you see here, they're going vertical, horizontal, and then up here they actually go diagonal. And then if you look up above that, they continue up here. Now, as you see, the ridge cliffs are here, but these lines continue through them. You can tell these are mountains right here, which the straight lines continue through them. Almost like this part of the ocean has been severely trenched or mined for precious materials. But there's no evidence of it being mined. And this is actually on such a mass scale. Zoom out. It goes from here, cuts down to this corner right here. Let me zoom in on that corner there. As you see, there's a direct 90-degree turn of this. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see it better on my video. See that 90-degree turn? There's no straight lines in nature, so please, how can you explain this, especially on such a mass scale? Now, here's that 90-degree turn. I'm going to move my map. As you see, there's another one here. And a mountain right in the middle of all this grid-like lining. Kind of looks like it was mined for precious materials, but on that massive scale, we do not have materials to do such a thing. Probably not even at those depths. And then the other curiosity I found is these almost perfectly square areas. I would say they're mountain ranges, but they are too straight. There's that one. There's this one right here. And there's another one, but it is not a full square. It is almost just like a 90-degree turn, and then you see the grid lines doing a 90-degree turn here. Now again, this is in the Gulf of Mexico. I'm going to scroll down. Zoom in this area. Again, now this is where the grid lines severely change. Here's another 90-degree turn. And watch the pattern as I zoom across. The lines continue in the same direction, but the detail in, I guess, dredging or whatever that may have been done here changes in, I guess, how you say, detail. And you go up here, it changes into diagonal lines. Almost like if it was going with the ridge edge or trench or whatever that may be. As you see, they're on top as well. Another thing I find peculiar is this almost perfect circle up on the mountain. I don't know if that's inverted or sticking out, but it's almost a perfect circle, oval shape.